Welcome to Whisky Invest Direct, the smarter way to invest in whisky. The Live Order Board is the marketplace where you can buy and sell whisky stocks in real time. You can use filters to find specific distilleries, years, and price trends. The person symbol represents whisky lines you already own. Graphs help track trading price trends, showing whether prices are rising, stable, or declining. The order panel lets you select distilleries, including year and quarter, investment volumes, price and order quantity. Note the Buy-Sell tabs on the order panel. As we're looking to sell whisky, green bricks represent bids by investors looking to purchase whisky stocks. Amber bricks represent sell offers, investors offering their stock for sale. As a seller, clicking a green brick will autofill the Sell tab in the order panel. You confirm the volume you wish to sell and then click the Sell Offer button. The displayed price is the buyer's offer price per litre of pure alcohol. The warning seen here in offer details simply alerts you that your chosen selling price is significantly lower than the whisky's market valuation. It does not prevent you from proceeding, but ensures you are aware in case of a typing error or of an unintended pricing choice. Whisky Invest Direct offers a smarter, more flexible way to invest in whisky. Sign up today and start building your whisky portfolio.